Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I'm gonna show you how to install a roof box on your car, as promised from the other video. So you're gonna need 4 of these that are coming on the roof box here. 4 bolts like these that are going through the rail, and 4 nuts like these. Okay, enough talking, let's start mounting. So first thing to do is get the caps of the roof bars and put these bolts through the roof bar like this. So you get the cap off and you put them all on each side. One here, one on the other side, and one on each side on the back of the roof bar. So now let's get the roof box on the car. First of all, you have to make sure that the roof box is aligned on the middle of the car and on the middle of the roof bars, and then try to secure it with the bolts inside. So on the inside you have to put one of these here for the screw, then one of these nuts, screw it in. Okay, so now everything is secure, as you can see. To close the roof box, you push this one here on the side, and this one as well, and you close it. To secure it, I'm gonna put this clamp here. This one on the front as well. Okay, so it's all done now. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.